Alright everybody, so I'm unloading that Eclipse that we did a recovery on my last video. Then I need to move this S10 and this 4Runner here so I can get to the 5.3 donor. So this is the truck that I'm going to take the LS motor out of. It's been sitting here for a while, but it's got a good 5.3 in it, so we're gonna get it loaded up, get it down to my house, and sit it next to the 64. So I just have everything there, right where I need it, so I can work on it down there. That's the game plan, though. But I've got a few obstacles in my way until then, so I'm gonna start moving some cars around. All right, we got the Eclipse out of the way. I slid it in there just as close as I could. Run out of room because people don't like to come get their stuff, or they don't have good insurance, or it's their fault, all them other reasons. So anyways, get this S10 out of the way. Nice little truck. I think he was on his top for a little while sliding down the road there, though. Good little truck though. 4.3 4-door 4-wheel drive S10. But pretty messed up now. Then we'll get this 4Runner out of the way, and there's what we're going for. So I'll just keep playing musical cars here, and we'll be there one day. All right, I was gonna load the S10 up and move it, but saw the key was in it and everything, so able to turn the wheels like I want. So I'm just gonna roll it up here, and we're gonna turn the wheels here, and we're gonna try to put it right in that hole there. That'll give me enough room to get this 4Runner out and put it over here, and then get the Silverado there out. So that's the game plan. See if I can get it, make it happen. All right, everybody, we got the S10 off to the side here. We got the 4Runner shoved up in there best I could, with a little bit of help from my father. And of course, I saw a couple comments. I want to let y'all know, the ones that don't know, if you've seen this video, my dad has a YouTube channel much bigger than mine. Jonathan W. He's about the smartest man a lot of people have ever seen or met in their lives. So if y'all don't know about him, you should check him out for sure. It's Jonathan W. on YouTube. But if you have me on here, then you most likely saw and were introduced to me by him. So, but if you haven't, then you definitely should. So finally got to roll back to where we can get to the Silverado here. So I'm gonna get loaded up, and then I gotta unload it and load it from the front because of the way that I want to have it sitting next to the 64. So we'll do that, and then we'll get it down there and we'll have it. Then I'll be stoked with nothing to do but actually work on the stuff instead of preparing. So sounds good. We'll get it loaded up and see what I can do with it. And there we are. Got the old Silverado loaded up. Been sitting here for a while. So been looking forward to doing this for a while. I'm finally able to do it, and it makes me very, very happy. So got a lot of work to do. Probably gonna do a lot of cutting when the saw's off and just make it easy on myself, because you know, I think the truck's pretty much shot. So there you go. I'll show y'all where I'm gonna put it and everything, and what my game plan is, and try to bring y'all along with all of it. Well, everybody, got the truck here. So there's the old 64, and there's the 2001 Silverado with the 5.3. It's going to go in that. So I know a lot of you guys, it seemed like a couple of you came off as purists, and some of you weren't. Some of y'all aren't quite that, but y'all don't want to see a LS go in a 64 Chevrolet, because for one, I know that's what everybody's doing, and for two, it's nice to see something original go into a truck like this. I understand it, but you know, if I was going to go original with this truck, then it would go original all the way around. You know, I wouldn't have any aluminum wheels on it or it wouldn't be lowered a little bit, or it wouldn't have bucket seats in it, you know. So I'm just going the route where I feel like it's the best for what I want to do, you know. These LS swaps are so easy to do now, really, as far as plug and play and getting it tuned, and power adders, and, you know, reliability and practicality as far as going outside on a, you know, 20-degree morning, and that's Fahrenheit, and starting the truck right up. I know a lot of you guys are from other places as well, so it's kind of nice to have that reliability. So that's what I'm working with here. So that's what my game plan is to do. So hope you guys can understand that, and if you can't, I guess you can't. So that's the game plan. So there's the two trucks I have to work with, and we'll go from there. I would like to have some concrete or something to be working on, and my little shed there would be nice to work on, but just a little crunch for space in there until I do something a little bit different on it. But here we are.
Does this one not have an engine?
Yeah, it's got that big engine in it. Hey, whose truck is that?
Mine.
That's your truck? Okay. Hey, what are we gonna do with that truck?
Take the engine out and put it in here.
You're gonna take the engine out and put it in here? Is it gonna be fast? Hey. What are you doing? All right, Graydon, give me a high five. Dirty high five. Love you, boy. All right, so that's it, guys. Got my little man on board, and he knows what's happening, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I appreciate you guys watching, and till next time, I'll try to have these things jacked up and starting to pull the motor out of this one. That's what my first go-to thing is gonna do, is pull the motor out of this one, have it sitting and get it like I want it, and then we'll get this up and pull the motor and transmission out of that one as well. So that's the next couple steps. Appreciate y'all watching. Again, thank you. Bye-bye.